What's up, guys? For today, today is day 3 of 100 Days of Hell, and but like fixing my car, I've been putting this bitch off. Haven't been wanting to fix it. I gotta fix this, motherfucker. So this is what today is gonna be. And then remember, it's 100 Days of Hell isn't just about physical; it's about mental. I didn't want to do this shit. Now I gotta do this shit. So yeah, I'm gonna just knock this shit out. It's gonna be a fast ass video. I'll just show y'all what I'm doing real quick. Peace. Here, can you film this right now? Like that or some shit.
Get it in the hole.
Nigga, chill out.
Ryder has this problem a lot.
No, it's cause you wanna try this bitch?
No.
Exactly. Put the wrong side on the wrong fucking side.
Yeah.
And I had fucking
Loctite
already on it, and it was already set, and I was already doing that side of that bitch.
And then we're like,
yeah. So now
take it out.
Oh fuck!
Huh?
The ball joint.
Damn.
I hope it's not stripped too bad.
Yeah, the nut stripped during testing. See if it was in there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I just got dirty hands.
Show them what we did. We got the motherfucking new one on. We
did it. Yeah, we did it, or he did it in like fucking 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Not even. Like 5 minutes.
That's what I said the first time. He didn't say nothing, so I said 10.
Where's the fucking air?
Right here, I moved it so I get it all ready. I'm tired.
Can you give me the...
Nope.
Where's the bolt for this? Over there.
Over where? Over here? That's not it. What'd you do to it? Oh. What bolts? There's only
3 nuts over there, man.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, we did, or Ryder did it.
Yeah.
I'm just handyman.
Finally, I'm getting
playing
this
music.
shit done. You know, I haven't been wanting to get this shit done. Now I am. Fuck it.
In a bucket.
Yeah.
Then it's just got
Oh,
put
did
a
you
little
tell
bit
him? I didn't tell him about the tires. So the fucking tires up here were horrible. So we asked for fucking 275s. They gave us 245s on it. Me and Kevin didn't even check. All the way in Rogers, they had that shit.
30 minutes
30,
away.
no, like 40 fucking minutes.
40 minutes away.
So we gotta go back tomorrow, and I gotta bitch their ass out. And
Cause on the
that shit
paper,
pissed me off. I'm gonna put it on the vlog
Yeah.
too, on this part, on the fucking 100 days, cause that shit pissed me off.
yeah. Cause it said on the paper 275.
Yeah, even said on the paper,
Yeah.
275.
It wasn't. But yeah, update.
We're back at fucking tire track. The place that fucked up the fucking tire. Look, now since we got all dirty, all this shit, man. Look. 275, 45, 20. These are 245s. I don't know where, oh, it says right there. 245, 45, 20. So we're bringing these hoes back. Should we just get the tires after so I can go yell at them with the vlog? Oh, what the fuck? Let's see what's popping. Fucking pissing me off and shit. Yes, I got some jacket on. I don't know.
butthole ice.
You gave us the wrong tires. They're supposed to be 275, 45, 20. Put 245 on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not bad, bro.
They're straight. I may as well.
Where the
do-
wheels at?
We'll go get them. Good thing he's nice about it. He said his bad like. He said his bad like we didn't have to drive 40 minutes. What's up, guys? We got the tires. Making sure they right the ones. I already checked them, but you know, just show y'all fuck out of them. But yeah, we gotta take these off and shit. Put them on the back, all that shit. But yeah, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, all that shit, man. And the other tire is bent, so that shit pissed me off. But yeah, we'll fix it some other day. But I'll see y'all later. Peace.